Hey guys, this is Jamin Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I am here because I got in some tonic goodness from createandcraft.com. Yay, yay, yay. So, as you may or may not know, Tonic and Crafter's Companion moved from Ho Chonda back to Create and Craft. Now, the bad part is that Crafter's Companion, they only show their products, for the most part, that I've seen on the UK site, which means you'll pay more shipping, more product. But Tonic is on the US part as well. So it's like, woohoo, yay, Tonic. So I got in their kit and I'm going to show that. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show a project. Okay, first off, this came in the same day. But remember I told you they had not put into my objects or items from my previous order, so I got those in. So they put the diamonds in, and what I liked about them, one is they're diamonds and you don't see very many diamonds, plus they alternate with the matte layer, so you can see it's straight scallop all the way down, and you go to this little teeny tiny one. Okay, then they had the hearts that they didn't put in, so I got those, and it has like a little embossing piece at the top. So I thought that was cute. Okay, Tonic. Love that. Now let's get into the box kit. So this is card making kit number 8. It comes in this box. So you can see the box. Issue 8. And you have the Tonic, which is fabulous. And you get all these items. I love these boxes like this. So you get all the items and so forth. And Tonic is fabulous at putting in dyes that you want and can use. So let me show you first. You get the papers, and they're thinner papers. They're double-sided, so they're not the same weight. I would say they're probably about the weight of Paper Studio paper that comes in the 180 pack. I would say that's about the same. So they're not card-based material. But you can layer them up, and they're not that magazine material either. So this kit was about stained glass. A stained glass look. So you get some toppers, which you would cut out. And it repeats twice, I think. So get all that. There you go. You can see this one. I love these little crackle ombre pages. And then you get another set of toppers here. Some more paper. And then the patterns repeat. So you get those. So it's this nice little bundle. And then, do we want to do the magazine? Let's do the other items. You get a stamp set. Now, although I like the design, I have to say, I'm not as, they're, I don't know if you can see how like squishy and mushy the stamps are? So they're not that stronger. Oh, I don't even know how to say it, but you know, they're not that real strong, hard polymer. I don't know which one, if photopolymer or whatever, I don't know which one it is, but it's that flimsier one. They do have gorgeous designs though, and a little thing. So you get that. Then you get an embossing folder. And the fun thing about the embossing folder, of course, is that these little sentiment or these little images will fit inside. And then you have a die that will cut out this whole center so you can do other things with it. And this is a cute folder. So that's fun. Then you get the die that comes with the pack itself. So here it is. And it's a decent sized die. Look at that. Okay, it says the circle window is 2.5 by 2.5, but the die itself is bigger than that. It's about 4 or 5 inches across, maybe. So let me pull it out so you can see it. And then this is what I was talking about. Tonic is the best at giving you the most dies that you can get. So if you look here, you have a corner die. You have 2 dies in here. It's a corner and then an inside. This one is another solid corner. And then this one you have the outside and the inside. So that right there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 dies. Then you go on the inside, you have this outside circle die. You have a half die over here. And then what that means is you can get another design over here. So all you do in order to get this complete piece here, you just flip it over and cut it twice. Then they give you this inside circle die. And this is the die that will cut out that circle, I believe. And then you have a decorative piece. So in that amount of space, they give you pretty much all the metal that was in there. It's fabulous. And they do have the best. Between Tonic and Tattered Lace. Ooh, they come up with the best design. But they have totally different aesthetics, which is pretty cool. All right, so you get that. Then we'll go with the die. Now they have an exclusive die. Now, first of all, you see how big this sucker is. There you go. They have an exclusive die. And supposedly you can't buy this later on, but I don't know about that. So this one is large. And then what happens, you can take everything from here, will fit, I believe, in this section here. So you can mix and match. So this piece here is the same size as this piece here, which fits into the embossing folder. So you have this huge, massive die set again. And you can see you get almost all the metal that's in there. And that's a huge die. It's one reason why I love Tonic. So even though they are expensive dies, you get a lot in them. Okay. So you have this corner piece. You have this piece that is actually the outside layer and an inside decoration. Same thing here, outside layer, inside decoration, which also means that you can mix these up. Okay. Then you have this one, which has the piece on the outside in this one. And if I'm not mistaken, if you look, okay, see here, and this is the other thing I like about them. See how this cut edge right here is on the edge of the die, right? If you look at this one, see how it's not on the edge, it's further in, which means this piece now can be used as a layer in this one and in this corner. Yeah. And then because of the way this one is designed, it can fit inside here or there as well. So they think all the way through their designs. Then you have, excuse me, you have a larger circle out here. You have this inside die. There's another circle. Then you have a half die again. Then you have this other half die, which means you get 2 different designs. Then they have another half die and another half die. So instead of getting just 1 die, 2, now you have 4 different designs that you can fit in there. Then you get the scalloped piece. Here's another scallop circle and the centerpiece. How fab is that? And if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if that's a dot that comes out, but it would make this look like a tag. Now, when you look at both of these, here's the kicker. See how you have scallop circles here and you have plain circles here so that they're not giving you the same die twice. I love their dies. What? Now, the last piece is the magazine. So they give you the magazine, excuse me, with ideas on how to use the whole kit. They have some contests and so forth. They give you an overview of what's in your kit. Some more hints and tips. Projects, step-by-steps. How to do a half cut. I need some vellum. I don't have any. I need to find some of that printable vellum, which I think you can get at Hobby Lobby. So they just give you all these projects to use. And they show you how to do it, like background pieces where you didn't cut it out, off the page pieces. They give you some other magazines. I think that's so cute. Little pieces. Lovely. I think I'm gonna have to put my project on a different video if I do a process. So just different kinds of stuff. And then they have craft kits from the past. Hunky Dory. I love their kits as well. I haven't had a stamp by Chloe one, but I have had some of her stamps, and I have had a Joanna Sheen. Now the difference is Tonic gives you really big dies. Hunky Dory gives you like a medium size. I don't know about the Chloe one, and I know Joanna Sheen is usually small. Okay, so they give you some shopping guides from Craft Stash. So if you don't know, another UK place to buy stuff is Craft Stash, and they send pretty quickly if it's in stock. Pre-order, I hate pre-order, so I never pre-order. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. This is the sneak peek of the next boxes. You know I already have money saved up to put them in my cart. So they're going to have this box, which is called the Venetian Amphora, or Amphora die set. It looks like an urn, I know. So you guys, it looks like a grave urn, but it also has that feel of Asian stuff to me, and you know I do like my Asian inspired items, so that's going in the bag. And then they have this one, which is the Peridot Gift Box, so you know it's going in there, and they show you a different pattern that it has. They show this one in a couple. So this is 4 sides. This one is 8 sides, which is pretty cool. And then they show it in 6 sides. So that means it's a 2-panel piece. How cool is that? And I love the little inside panel. So you know good and well, honey, those are in my cart when they come out. I don't know if it says when it comes out because I haven't actually read this magazine. I just flipped through it. Then, of course, it gives you some more pieces here, and it says designer, and you've got Jody. I love her. She's so crazy. And she's just like, just out there, you know. She just says what comes to mind, and y'all know I love that because, yeah, that's pretty much me. Whatever comes to mind comes out my mouth. Which isn't always good, but you know, hey, people shouldn't act stupid. Now I wouldn't have to say stuff to put them in their place. Right. So there you have that. And look at this. How cute is that? That little boat scene. I love that. I don't know where they had this rabbit because it's not in this kit, but that's a cute little die cut there. And then they have, I think this is Hedgehog Hollow. Because she's on, I'm on that, yeah, it is. I'm on that Facebook group. Now, they also have the Woodland Walk. Now, this is the kit number 20. Well, this isn't the kit, but this is the name of the kit for number 20 that they have. And it's got a party, kind of like a party gift box in it, which I'm on the fence about. But they have some beautiful colors of this green stuff in there. Oh, it's so pretty. So, there you go. So, that's the magazine. Love it. I wish I had not missed this die. I'm so sad I missed it. But anyway, so that is that. And yeah, I'm going to have to do a different video for the project. But I thought I'd show you the Tonic kit issue number 8. Thanks for watching. And I guess I will see you later. Bye-bye.